Hello all, welcome back. You guys, we're already on video 4, look 3 on our eyeshadow school. And you guys, this is the day, this is my daily go-to, okay? Ever since I discovered this look and actually realized it had a name, I use it every day because I feel like my eyes just don't look the same when I don't. Now, sometimes I dress it up and do a little bit more, but I always do the halo, okay? So, if you wanna know what the halo look is, keep watching, hit that notification bell so you're notified of when that next video, because you're not gonna wanna miss look number 4 either. So, keep watching, let's go. Okay. So, quick review, I have Lullaby on as windshield wiper, okay? So we did that look, okay? That is the first part of the halo, okay? So the halo is simply a MIDI color, whatever color that might be, in your crease, or if you have hooded eyes like me, slightly above that crease so you can actually see it, okay? So, Lullaby on in the crease, windshield wiper, that baby on there. Okay, so all the halo is that you're going to flip that brush over, you're gonna use the small end, same color, and you're going to add it on your lower lash line. Do you see that definition without lining? Okay, I like to blend. So then I usually will flip it back over to the big side and blend that out. But you guys, that's my daily go-to because I don't like the harshness of a pencil or liquid liner under my eyes, but I'm obsessed with haloing my eyes. Like, is that not pretty? Okay, you guys can do it with any color. So, you don't have to keep the same color that you used on the top of your eye, okay? Let's go ahead. Actually, there's another look. I forgot. Yeah. So this is actually look 3 and 4. I had these out of order. Ignore me. So let's just go ahead and throw another look in there because it's too simple not to. So the halo is if you're gonna use the same color top and bottom. The two-tone, okay, so halo, two-tone. Two-tone is if you're going to use a different color under your eye. So let's throw on some oak and see if you can see it. Sometimes I like to do the two-tone with like a lighter color up above, and then I use something dark underneath to make it more dramatic. But to me, usually oak is like dramatic enough. I don't know why that color pulls super dark on me. Okay, so here's with Lullaby, here's with oak, and then just simply blend that baby out. So you have the halo, the two-tone. Pretty much the exact same technique, just depending on the colors you use. I'm getting a little messy over here, don't mind me. But which one's your favorite? So, you just did 2. Super easy, right? Come on, tell me anyone can do this. So, windshield wiper that baby on there. Windshield wiper it on the lower lash line because you're pretty much doing the same brush stroke and you're good to go. So that's it, guys. That was a short one. So halo, two-tone, pick any colors you like. You guys, you can even like go dramatic and pick, I mean like the brightest color in our compact. Okay, let's just throw some on and see what it looks like. You can totally have fun with these colors. Actually, I feel like the bottom lash line is a perfect place to have fun, okay? So that is with me, Hija. And let's just throw on, look at this, Emerald City. We're gonna go with Emerald City over here. And if you guys are scared, layering is the best way. So like Emerald City, does that look green and harsh? No, but in my, I can tell it's got a green to it in my mirror. But since it's over that oak, it's subtle, so pretty. So if you're scared of a color, layer it with a neutral brown, and you know what? You can wear anything, trust me. And the more you play around with it, the more colors you're gonna discover that you love. So try these looks. I wanna hear from you. Tell me below in the comments if you've ever tried to halo your eyes. Do you love it as much as I do? I wanna know. So, all right guys, so next will be look number, cause I skipped one. Look number 5. We did 3 and 4. So look number 5, don't mind me, I'm just gonna go clean up. So I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.